discriminatory and will ever allow in this city.
And we are strong, and we will come back with more and more advocacy, more and more challenges, more and more protests, whatever it takes to make sure that there is justice for all with the Muslim American community, with our undocumented people here in New York and elsewhere, with immigrants all over, and with anyone who is vulnerable. CARE New York is here, and we will always stand up for civil rights, because that is what America is supposed to be.
This is the struggle of all Americans. Resist any attempt by anyone. And so I say to all of you, because as Dr. King once said, we will not normalize hate. This is my country, and I will executive orders. You have turned back progress for decades. And to protect your colleague, to protect the student who you call a friend.
But every one of us believes that the future of this country and this planet have struggled so that we can be free. And I do believe in this audience tonight.
Various media outlets and community leaders and so on, we were being asked, is New York City Council Speaker Viverito, Council Speaker, please.
Betrayal of our moral responsibility.
Together we stand strong, divided we fall. Thank you so much.
To say that we will use our collective power in the days and months ahead for our communities and spread fear and panic. Now, more than ever,
And over again by every single one of these wonderful speakers.